The second practice problem is asking us to organize 1,674 toothpicks to correspond with the structure of the base 10 system. And we know our number system is a base 10 system to help younger students to learn about the place values. We can use toothpicks or any other objects to help them. So we need to make sure they know each symbol has in a different position has a different meaning. And so, for example, this 4 actually means 4 ones, but the 7 means 7 tens. Okay, so in order to do that, we use cubes or toothpicks or any other objects to help them. And beads. Okay, so in this question, they ask us to first of all, we need to explain. You can use math drawing if you like, if you're good at drawing, or just describe it how you do it. And so first we need to do that, and that's the first question right here we need to answer. And secondly, we need to in the description we need to make sure we explain how the values of adjacent places are related. So for example, the ones place and the tens place, how are they related? And also similarly, the tens place and the hundreds place, how are they related? And so on. So this is the second question we need to answer. The third question is how this relationship is reflected in the organization of toothpicks. So for example, the tens place can be obtained by multiply the ones place by 10. So we're going to get tens place. And when we organize the cubes or the toothpicks, how is it reflected? So for example, if you want to get a 10's place, you're going to have to take 10 ones and bundle them together or stack 10 cubes together. That would give us a bundle of tens, which would generate, so 10 toothpicks, 10 ones, or you can say 10 ones, would generate generate 110. So that's how we make a 10. And similarly, how do we generate a 100? So we have to take 10 bundles of 10 and to make 100. Okay, so let's look at my answer here. So first, we represent. You can start. I started with the thousands place, the one right here, 1,000. But if you want, you can start from the ones place. You can start from 4. So we represent 1,000 by using 10 bundles of 100. So notice I didn't say you to use 1,000 toothpicks. Instead, I said 10 bundles of 100 toothpicks. Why? Because I'm trying to address to that question right there, how this relationship is reflected. First of all, for the second part right here, my answer is right here. The place value of each place is 10 times the value of the place to its immediate right. And if you cannot remember this long sentence, you can also draw a chart like we had in class, and just draw label a few of them. And so for example, how do we generate the tens? We multiply by from ones, we multiply by 10. And how do we generate hundreds? From tens, we multiply by 10. And how do we generate thousands? We multiply hundreds by 10. Okay, so and because I want to, in the organization of these toothpicks, I want to reflect this multiplied by 10. So that's why this 10 bundles means 10 right here. So how do we generate 1,000? It's 10 bundles of 100 toothpicks. So 100's place and multiply by 10. So that's why I say I'm not saying one bundle of 1,000. I'm saying 10 bundles of 100 toothpicks. So I was okay. So this is the hundreds place. So this right here is the hundreds place, and 10 bundles of hundreds place. So 10 times 100, and that would give us the 1000. Okay. And I also kind of explained right here, if you don't want to say this part right here, it might be okay. But I also explained where did the 100 place come from. So it comes from 10 bundles of 10 toothpicks. So which means the 100, each of the 100 bundle consists of 10 bundles of 10s. Okay. Now, so I explained how do we represent the 1000 there. So it's one big bundle with the 100 toothpicks in there, but that 100 toothpicks come from 10 bundles of 10. Okay, next we're going to look at how to organize toothpicks to make 600. So again, 600, the place value is 100. So we use, and first of all, we need to reflect the digit 6. So you will have to have 6. Let me put the digit here. So we are having 1674. And so for the hundreds place, we will have 6 bundles, but each of them is a 100 bundle. So we have 6 bundles of 100 toothpicks, but each 100 bundle comes from the 10 bundles of 10. Again, similar to the previous one, how we generate 1000 toothpicks. So that's 6. Now 7 just means we have 7 bundles of 10 toothpicks. So finally we have that 4, because 4 means 4 ones. So it's not going to be a bundle. It's just 4 individual toothpicks. So we don't want to bundle them together, because we do want to show students there are really 4 individual toothpicks. So here we want to show 7, but actually it's a bundle of 10. So we need to show 7 of them. But if you're good with drawing, you can do the drawing instead of, it would save you a lot of words. But the drawing, you can see it's a little tedious, and you have to draw 7 bundles of 10. And then 100, it's even more complicated. You have to draw 6 bundles of 100. It's like a very big bundle, as I showed you in class. Okay. All right. So that's so I answered every single question here. So make sure you don't forget, read the question clearly. When you take the exam, you can even do what I did here, underline or highlight the questions you need to answer. Don't miss a question, because a lot of students in the past, they often forget to answer number 2, how the values are of adjacent places are related. So it's multiplying by 10. And how do you, when you organize the toothpicks, make sure you explain how you get the 1000 place from the hundreds place, how you get 100s place from the 10s place, and how you get 10s place from the 1s place. All right.